Hey grillers, welcome to BB Grill Shack. I'm your host Brad, and today we're going to be cooking up some spare ribs with a super nice bourbon maple glaze. Alright guys, so I completed a barbecue competition this last weekend and I had an extra set of spare ribs. So what I decided to do for my video this week is go ahead and take them, smoke them till they fall off the bone, and hit them with a bourbon maple glaze. I'm going to show you guys all of that right now. The first thing we're going to do with our St. Louis ribs is remove the membrane from the back. This membrane can get kind of tough when you cook it, so I like to remove it every time. Use a butter knife if you need to get under the membrane. Then use a paper towel and pull the whole membrane back. I like to use yellow mustard as a base for my rub. It makes the rub stick really well, and it doesn't really add any mustard flavor at the end. It just makes for a really nice spark. So I would highly recommend this, even if you don't like mustard. Today I'm using two different rubs. I'm using Boar's Night Out White Lightning, which is an SPG with MSG in it. It's really good. I'm also using Rub Baby from Basting barbecue sauce, which is a great all-purpose rub, and that's going to go on top of my Boar's Night Out White Lightning. We're going to go ahead and let the rub soak into our ribs while we preheat our grill. Heat up your smoker to 275. We're going to throw the ribs in there at 275 uncovered for 2 hours and then wrap them for another 30 minutes. Once your grill is preheated, go ahead and throw the ribs on. We're going to go meat side up, bone side down. Check on your ribs after an hour to make sure that everything is going well and that the bark is starting to set up. The bark on my ribs was starting to set up after an hour, but you can tell that it's not ready to go because it'll still stick to my finger when I touch it. During the second hour, while we're waiting for the bark to set up, I'm going to go ahead and start making the maple glaze. This is going to be 1/4 cup bourbon, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Go ahead and mix them all together, and we're going to throw it on the grill to start heating up and simmering. After about 2 hours, the bark is really starting to set up. So we're going to go ahead and take the ribs off. We're going to wrap them in 2 layers of foil, meat side down. Add a couple pads of butter underneath and on top. This is going to help keep the ribs nice and moisturized. We're also going to add half of our maple bourbon glaze at this point, so it starts to cook into the ribs and turn into a really nice sauce. After your ribs are wrapped, throw them back on the grill at 275 for another 30 minutes. We're going to test them with our temp probe and get them to around 210. This is going to be a really nice fall off the bone type texture without overcooking the ribs. Unwrap them from the foil and throw them back on the grill. We hit around 210 and sure enough, these things are falling off the bone. We're going to use the rest of that glaze and a basting brush to just glaze over the top of this and let the glaze set on top of the ribs in the grill. This glaze is only going to take 5 to 10 minutes to set up, and then you're going to want to take your ribs off and start preparing them to serve. Let your ribs cool down for a couple minutes just until they're able to be handled without burning yourself. Then we're going to take a little bit of our maple glaze and spread it on top of our cutting board so that we don't ruin the bark of our ribs. Put the ribs meat side down on the cutting board. This makes it a lot easier to cut in between the ribs because you can see pretty much the whole rib from the backside. Cut in between each of the ribs and these are ready to serve. Let's go ahead and try out a taste test while these are still hot. Alright guys, that cook went awesome. And I have some really hot ribs to test. It's really saucy and I'm really excited to try it. So let's go ahead and try the taste test. Wow, it's literally fall off the bone. It's super sweet. You can kind of taste the bourbon. It doesn't taste like alcohol, but it really tastes like the double oak bourbon. It's super good. Kind of sweet, but also kind of spicy. Thanks for sticking around, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this barbecue this week. I really enjoyed making these ribs. I really enjoyed eating them. Ribs are actually a pretty easy meat to cook, so if you haven't cooked them, get out there and try it. The weather's getting nice, so this is your opportunity. Have a good weekend. I'll catch you guys next week. Don't even leave me unsupervised with these, dude. Dangerous.